Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is altitude. Well, I'm going to go ahead and take my recurrent test Saturday, and that'll be the 12th of December. So right now I'm doing everything I can to study and practice for that. It's still, well, they say it's $90. It's $90 for the test and another $60 to pay for the site to take the test. So I'm taking I jumped on FAA DIM, and I'm going to take a self-assessment exam real quick, 24 questions. I'm going to see how well I did with that. You give them your email address, and when you've completed it, and after they've graded it, I don't know how long it'll take, they're going to send it to you. So let's see how well I do. Okay, this test here gives you 24 questions, and you get an hour and a half. And of course, the full UGR test contains 40 questions, and you're given 2 hours to complete it. So let's go ahead. You're scheduled to take unmanned aircraft general recurrent self-assessment exam. Okay, take me to self-exam. I want to take later. No, I want to go ahead and take it now. Let's do it. Okay, I am now scheduling my Part 107 recur test, and it's gone from 150 to 160 now. So unmanned recur is 96, and then the test center fee is $64 for a total of $160. All exams must be taken within 12 months of this purchase. Purchase not used within 12 months will expire. But if you don't make your scheduled appointment, you're going to lose it. You'll lose the money. Be sure you enter proper billing and charge account to this account. Okay, so choose another appointment. I'm scheduled for that date. Okay, here we go. Bam! Your chosen month payment is about to be charged. You must take your purchase exam within 12 months. It says if you don't make your appointment, you're going to lose it. Okay, so you have now paid it. But that ain't it. If you don't make your appointment, then it's your confirmation. December 10th. I gotta go to Rochester by 12 o'clock. Okay. is. Okay, good. December 12 at 12 p.m. 120 minutes. Okay. Ah, shoot. Okay. So that's that. Now, I've been taking the test, but I'm stuck because I don't have a chart to go by. Okay, I got 75%, so I passed. My problem was I didn't have a freaking I didn't have the flight chart in front of me. Well, I went to I had downloaded that the Sport and Rec private Sport and Recreation private PDF off of the FAA's site there, and I was able to come back afterwards and see that, you know, this is what I missed because I didn't have the freaking chart. So if I'd had the chart, I would have done much better. So this is the FAA's ground test, and it's 25 questions, 24 questions. So it looks like I'm doing it's FAA reports, and so 75% out of that, so I passed. You gotta have a 70% or less to fail, I guess. So I'm in good shape. I'm still gonna go study some more out of that and see if I can find some more practice tests. Alright, so I'll put a link. I'll put a link in here, bottom down here, so you can take a look at these sample tests. Alright, so I am set up for the Saturday the 12th at noon to take my ReCert. '107 exam. We'll see how we do.